Hey guys, welcome back to Lean's Motor World. Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be going to the lake and testing the boat that you've seen in a couple videos that I posted. We're working on this boat, and then we're gonna go test this Honda Aquatrax turbo. It's a 4-stroke. It has a just 4-stroke Honda 4-cylinder engine. So yeah, we've been working on it for the past year. It's my uncle's, and we're finally gonna go test it out. We had like carbon fiber sticker or something, and all the stickers were coming out of this, like these, and we put this on it. And we've done some stuff there in the past, so we're about to get it started and see if it runs. This thing did have a problem last time we took it to the beach in Sao Padre. The warning light came on and the jet ski would like not.
It would put in limp mode.
Yeah, we're going to limp mode. So we're gonna go test this out again. See if it does it again. Well, here you go. It's a stock. It's just completely stock turbo stock engine, but we did.
Straight exhaust.
It's a straight pipe. That's the pipe. We just still haven't done the. We're not sure if we're gonna do it, but we're like the hole comes out, but yeah, the exhaust is just a straight pipe.
Through horse.
Huh?
Through horse.
Through hole exhaust. Alright guys, so we just stopped by my uncle's house real quick and gave him his jet ski. He's gonna be taking that to the lake, and we're gonna go to the storage real quick and get the boat, and we're gonna meet up with him. But yeah, boat there, he got that. Alright guys, so we're at the storage ready to pick up the boat. Alright guys, so we just made it to the lake. My dad went to go pay. We're gonna get the boat launched, the jet ski launched, and we're gonna go test them out. Alright guys, boat's going in. First time. It's looking nice. I'm gonna get the Aquatrax into the water, but I'm gonna watch them do this real quick. Alright guys, I'm on the Aquatrax. Gonna get this thing put into the water. Alright guys, we're in the water. There's the boat just in the super calm day on the lake. Extremely calm. Not a single wave. This is my uncle gonna unhook me, and I'm gonna just keep it right there on the dock. Alright guys, we're looking good. All right, guys. When we start riding, I'm a little bit more. Real good. Water's super calm. Alright guys, so we haven't even left the no wake zone. We just launched the boats right there and the boat overheated. And we had got that problem fixed where we connected the hose and changed the peller and stuff, but it's overheating. So we don't know what could have happened. Alright guys, so we made it a little beach. Back here, let me show you. Got the Aqua Trax, we drove it here. So far, it's been working real good. But my dad stayed back at the boat ramp to see if he's gonna open the heat exchanger, see if water's going through it, see what's wrong with that. But we went on a little ride just up to here. So, yep, we're doing pretty good. Alright guys, so that's gonna be our wrap. We had to put the boat up. For some reason the water isn't going up, so that didn't work. So we put the water up. Me and my uncle still went on a ride on the jet ski. Went to go test that out. We went to the little island like y'all saw, and yeah, now we're just gonna head back home. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share the videos, and comment. So guys, you thought it ended there. No, it didn't. I miscalculated and I accidentally said about the like and subscribe and everything, thinking I was ending the video, but no, I'm not. We're actually gonna go back to the marina, but with the Wave Raider, the Wave Venture, and my uncle's Aqua Trax. Cause the marina we're at, it's a paid parking, and you have 24 hours of pay. So since we were only 30 minutes at the lake, technically we didn't have that much time to do anything. We're just gonna come and we're just gonna automatically just bring ours and use ours. So yeah. So we're gonna go to the lake and see what happens. We're gonna go have fun. Start the Wave Raider. Got a new battery because the old one was broken. The one that we got that day, it was a 2-year-old battery. Wave Raider works, start up good. We're gonna put oil, we just put oil on that one. We're gonna put oil in the Wave Venture and get this one started too. Let me go choke. ¿Lo apago? Pa. Alright guys, we're gonna finish putting on this and head to the lake. We're gonna put gas and yeah. This one has 243 hours. I was wrong whenever I guessed 50. We made it to the lake already. We're gonna about to head out to ride around. Alright guys, we're back at the storage. We're done writing. I'm sorry I didn't film that much today. I was pretty distracted spending time with family, but yeah, we finished. My dad flipped over on the Wave Raider. He flipped over, and then whenever he went to go turn it on, the thing wasn't accelerating. It was just having it wasn't having gas. Whenever we hold the throttle full, it just at slow speeds we could be going and just want to floor off. No, it would just bog down or shut off. So we don't know what happened with that. My dad did say it was full with water, so probably whenever he flipped, carburetors got full with water. And the Aquatrax gave us problems, as I said. I think last video, or no, earlier today, I mentioned in the video, I mentioned that this Aquatrax had this computer problem, that we think we fixed it and stuff. It happened again. It started giving us problems, me and my uncle, so we had to, it took us a while to get back, but yeah, that's how things are looking. So I'm gonna help my dad and my uncle get the things back in. So stay tuned for more videos. Like, subscribe, enjoy the videos, and share the video.